Hey, good morning to your expat investor, Gus speaking. So today we're talking about my apartment tour. So first I wanted to start off with the outside. It's a pretty decent building from top to bottom. It's pretty cool, it's affordable, it's awesome. We're right in the center of downtown currently, and you could pretty much get to anywhere to the metro, and from there you're able to go ahead and get to anywhere in the city. Well, thank you very much. Let's go, let's get started. Let's go inside. My dad, his key is pretty darn cool. It's like serious key with all these locks and everything. I got a doorbell in my apartment. That's pretty cool. So welcome to my apartment. So I just wanted to say, welcome to my apartment. This is my 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, $650 apartment. How are you doing? Let's start over here with the apartment. So first, I have to let you know that everything in this apartment came with the apartment. I got everything for $650. So these two beautiful couches, that couch, it comes with a cool fan looking thing, a TV. There's an AC in this room, and then there's an AC in that room. This is the office. Sponsored, not sponsored, Vigor. I just wanted to let you show you the living room. This is the dining room. It came with this wooden nice table, real wood. Let's go. So I wanted to show, this is my den. I have two computers here. This one and this one, the monitors and the computer. This is for my call center job at the moment. That over there is my laptop, my setup, where I watch your videos. You who are subscribed to me and subscribe to you. So this is the kitchen. Mind that it's a little bit disordered. So right now, my wife, she went to Canada for a bit. So if you're watching this, hi, how's Reina? Alrighty, and it comes with the laundry. It has both laundry, washer and dryer, and a little laundry sink with all the cleaning supplies, and a nice view to the next building. Alrighty, so this is the kitchen, counter, and counter with a giant fridge. I've never had a fridge this big before. I don't know why, but we've always had the regular size ones. Generally, if you're moving into Panama, I like to say that if you're gonna move into a place that's not furnished, then you're gonna have to buy the couch. You're gonna be buying like if it comes with fridge and other stuff, you would have to get the laundry, you would have to get a whole bunch of stuff, but this doesn't. And I have one bedroom over there, one bathroom over there. Again, everything is disorganized. And then you're like, hey Gus, why didn't you clean up? Why couldn't you just go ahead and clean up right before we got here? Why didn't you clean up right before we got here? Because I would have never been able to make this video if I did. So this is the room. This is gonna be Reina's room. So we're gonna paint this wall, paint that wall, paint that one, paint that one. This comes with a fan. It does not have thing. This is my nice outside building. Decent view. some Lego. Pretty good at it. Alrighty. I also want to go ahead. This is a decent washroom. Nice sink, toilet if you care, and a shower. In the laundry room I have hot water, so I do get hot water over here with a nice window. We have the secondary washroom here. This is generally for the ladies. With decent closet space. So I have like these buildings in front of me. But to tell you the truth, they're kind of bothersome. But at least when you look up, there's nice buildings all or everywhere. It's a pretty sweet place. So over there, you got basically like downtown, like the metro is there. So you're able to just walk about 15 minutes. And then suddenly you are at the metro, and the metro is a big video. Panama's metro is one of the coolest metros in the world, I would say. And I want to basically exploit that because it's just too cool. Hey, for those that are subscribing here with us, to those that are with us, I just wanted to let you know that with the price that I'm paying here, $650, I used to pay in Canada nearly $2,000 for less. A little bit more rooms in the bedrooms, that's about it, but basically it. I also wanted to let you know that I have a little contest coming up in about a month's time. Okay, so at the end of the month, I'm gonna give away a $50 gift card if I can. I'm not sure how to work that out yet, but I will for the subscribers that are gonna subscribe to this channel. I just want to go ahead and thank you very much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video and you saw what I just said, subscribe. $50 are in stake. $50 that you could get. Please subscribe, watch, and I'm gonna do everything in camera, so then there's no funny business. I'd like to honor that. I am a millennial. I have many videos coming out. Let's do this. Let's go home. Thank you. So I just want to end off the video just showing you my place. I really enjoyed you being part of my video. Thank you very much. All right, see you later. Thank you for watching. Let's go. Woo! Thanks for watching.